Okay, we're going to start with finding the component form of a vector that is described just by its magnitude and the amount of rotation with the x-axis that it has. So I'm going to draw a picture of it first because we do need to put the geometry together with our algebraic part here. So the vector has rotation with the x-axis, so I'm going to go ahead and draw a coordinate, little coordinate plane there. I'm going to draw in my vector. It's supposed to be a 25-degree rotation with the x-axis, so I'm going to just kind of estimate it. That looks like maybe about 25 degrees to me. And the magnitude of it is supposed to be 8, so I'm going to go ahead and label that with an 8, and that's 25. Okay, so I'm supposed to write this in component form. So if I wanted to do that, then that would mean I would need the x piece, the horizontal component, and I would also need the y piece, vertical component there, so that I could describe the size of this thing. Now we did this before, and we found that the x component was r cosine of the angle, and the y component was r sine of that angle. I didn't put a degree symbol on my angle. That's bad. Okay, so if I take that and I use that for my particular vector here, then for my x component, I could actually start writing it in component form here. I would say that that's x cosine of 25 degrees. And for the y component, it would be 8 sine of 25 degrees. And from there, I would just need to type things in the calculator. And of course, we are going to round to 3 decimal places. So 8 cosine of 25 degrees comes out to 7.250, but of course I don't have to write the 0. And 8 sine of 25 degrees would be 3.381. If I did need this in linear combination form, it doesn't ask me for that, but it's always a nice review here. For linear combination form, I would just take what I had for my horizontal component, 7.25i, and then plus the vertical component, 3.381j. That would be the same vector in linear combination form. That's a j. It didn't look like a j. There we go. Okay, so now you try the next couple of examples.